In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of your Threads account using the Threads mobile application. If you're done using Threads and you'd like to sign out or log out of the platform, then the first thing to do is to tap on your profile image or the icon at the bottom right hand corner from the main interface of Thread. Here, this will take you to your profile. Go and tap on the two lines at the top right hand corner and this will open up the settings menu. Tap on log out at the bottom menu and tap log out again to confirm logging out of Threads. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be redirected to the main interface of Threads. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more of these quick videos like this. Thank you for watching.